Among local HVAC companies, Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling stands head and shoulders above the competition. In this post, we'll cover all you need to know about AC installation, why it's best to hire experts, and how Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling can help you. The installation of air conditioning systems has a major impact on their efficiency, effectiveness, and safety. Poor installation can lead to decreased efficiency, which in turn increases energy costs, shortens lifespans, and requires more frequent and expensive repairs. Can a dirty filter cause a furnace to stop working? Yes, a dirty filter can cause your furnace to stop working or operate inefficiently. When the air filter is clogged with dirt, dust, or debris, it restricts airflow, causing the furnace to overheat. Why is my furnace blowing cold air? If your furnace is blowing cold air, several issues could be the cause. First, check the thermostat settings to ensure it's set to heat and the temperature is higher than the room's current temperature. How long do furnaces last? Furnaces typically last between 15 to 20 years, depending on factors such as maintenance, usage, and the quality of the unit. What are the areas near that Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling provides services? Our Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling serve the following locations: San Diego, CA, Mission Valley, CA, North Park, CA, Oak Park, CA, National City, CA, Coronado, CA, Claremont, CA, Escondido, CA, Oceanside, CA, Carlsbad, CA, Vista, CA, San Marcos, CA, Encinitas, CA, Poway, CA, Fallbrook, CA. Where is the Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 7710 Balboa Avenue, Suite A31, San Diego, California 92111. Our phone number is 16,196,586,759. Visit our website, https://www.bestsandiegofons.com/Kearny Mesa AC Installation Repair.